What we love about this house in Puglia is the clean, light, open spaces, which are perfect for configuring however you'd like and putting your personal decorating touches on. It's located in the heart of the town of Sava and is on the market for an incredible €55,000. While it may look quite simple from the outside and the realtor's photos are very bright, the interior combines all the charm and character buyers look for in a home in Italy, while also being modern, functional, and in great condition. This is truly a decorator's dream, and we absolutely love the star vault ceilings and traditional floor tiles in some of the rooms. Outside, there is a small courtyard that leads to a spacious roofed terrace. It's also conveniently within walking distance to many shops, restaurants, cafes, and other amenities in Sava, as well as only being 20 or so minutes to the coast by car. Please note that the last photo is a rendering of what the kitchen could look like, and not the current kitchen. If you have any questions or would like more information about this home, please contact the realtor directly. There's a link to their original listing in the video notes below. And if you'd like more homes like this in your inbox every week, please check out our website, liveyourdreamitaly.com.